Hello, my name is Zach Tolby, and I am one of the Marine Program Leaders here at the National Weather Service in Reno. This presentation will cover our Marine Program services for Lake Tahoe and Pyramid Lake. We are a team of dedicated professionals with extensive local knowledge providing weather forecasts and warnings for the Sierra and Western Nevada 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Marine Program at the National Weather Service in Reno is one of our top priorities because we know how weather impacts boaters and paddlers. Our basic services include graphical and text forecasts for area lakes. When winds increase with the potential for rough conditions on area lakes, we will issue lake wind advisories. Your safety is our number one concern. Wave height forecasts will inform boaters and paddlers of optimal lake conditions in terms of both time and location. The forecasts are produced for 3-hour blocks and updated at least twice daily. Wave heights are defined as the average of the tallest 1/3 of all waves. This is our webpage, located at weather.gov/Reno. Click on the Lake Forecast link to get to the Graphical Lake Forecast page. After you click on Lake Forecasts, you will be given a choice of either Lake Tahoe or Pyramid Lake. At the bottom of the page, there are links to buoy and land weather stations around Tahoe and Pyramid. There is also a text version of the forecast called the Recreation Forecasts. If you clicked on Lake Tahoe, then this page will come up. There are two different ways to view the data. You can click on each time period, or you can use the mouse over effect. That way you can just mouse over the time periods you're interested in. At the top, you can change the time period from today to tonight and tomorrow. At the bottom of the image, it will tell you what image you are looking at as well as the valid time. In this case, we are looking at wave heights for 5 p.m. Tuesday. If there is a warning or an advisory in effect, it will appear in the red text at the top. Click on the red text and it will take you to the warning or advisory statement. This graphic is showing the forecast wave height in feet. You can see that our forecast calls for the tallest waves to be on the east half of the lake due to the winds being out of the southwest. Here is an example of the lake wind advisory text. Take note of where the forecast winds and wave heights are located within the product. Lake wind advisories are issued for sustained winds of 20 miles per hour or gusts higher than 30 miles per hour when wave heights will likely exceed 2 to 3 feet. Here is an example of the recreation forecast. This is a good forecast to bookmark as well since it gives you a good overview of the weather expected, including temperature, sky conditions, and potential thunderstorms or precipitation. The National Weather Service needs marine weather spotters on the lake. If you are out boating or paddling and see that conditions are better or worse than forecast, your call helps us get a better picture of what is actually happening on the lake. To sign up, contact us by phone, email, Facebook, or send us a tweet. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us produce better forecasts for boaters like you. This has been a presentation on our Marine Forecast Program. Our official webpage is located at weather.gov/Reno, but you can view our weather graphics and briefings on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. If you would like to submit a report, feel free to comment on Facebook or tweet us. Thank you for listening.